Building a Twitter account requires dedication, creativity, and strategic approach. Here's a straightforward guide for beginners on growing your Twitter or X account. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've optimized your profile. So choose a clear, high-quality image or logo for brand accounts. And craft a brief and engaging bio that highlights who you are and what you offer, including the relevant words. Make it simple, memorable, and connected to your content. Select an appealing header that enhances your profile or showcases your personality or work. And also concentrate on specific areas such as education, gaming, voiceover tips, or content creation. And ensure that your content reflects your interest and expertise. Also create engaging type of content. Share short, witty, or thought-provoking messages. Provide detailed information or narratives in a series of tweets. Post images, memes, videos, or infographics. Post questions to encourage interaction. And engage with the trending hashtags or even relevant to your niche. Aim to post 1 to 3 times daily and consider using a content calendar. Respond to the comments and direct messages as well, and retweet or quote tweet others with valuable insights. Like and engage with the tweets from your followers and others in your niche, and make sure that you're using the hashtags wisely. Include 1 to 2 relevant hashtags in each tweet to boost visibility, and research popular hashtags in your niche using the tools like Hashtagify or Twitter's search function. Follow the accounts in your niche and engage with their content. Collaborate with others creators through shoutouts, retweets, or co-hosting Twitter replies. You can also utilize the Twitter Spaces. Host to join audio discussions to demonstrate your expertise and connect with your audience. Promote your Twitter account by sharing your Twitter handle or other social media platforms. Include your handle in your email, signature, blog, or business cards. And use Twitter Analytics to see which content performs the best. Adjust your strategy based on your engagement data and be patient and authentic. Growth takes time. Avoid purchasing followers like using bots, and stay genuine and relatable as audience connect more with the authenticity. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can grow your Twitter account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.